Hi guys, so today's going to be a little bit different. I'm going to talk over while I solve some of our problems. So yesterday, some of us were able to find the perimeter. Some of us had a little bit of a hard time finding the perimeter. And those of us who were able to find it did it a different way that we learned last year, where we just added all four sides. But if we look up here and read our questions, it says find the perimeter of the rectangle using our formula. Show your work. So if we look over at our formulas for perimeter, we see for a rectangle, we have two formulas. We can either do perimeter equals 2 times length plus 2 times width, or 2 times length plus width. That is for a rectangle. The one down here, 4 times s times the sides, that is only for a square because a square has 4 sides that are all equal length. For a rectangle, we know that if this side is 12, the opposite side must be 12. And if this side is 12, the opposite side must be 12. So we have two pairs of opposite sides of the same, but we do not have 4 sides that are the same. So I'm going to show how to use our formula for a rectangle to solve this. I'm going to show both of them. So the first one we have is perimeter equals 2 times length plus 2 times width. So our length is 12 centimeters. Our width is 8 centimeters. So I am going to type in P perimeter equals 2 times 12, because that is our length, plus 2 times 8, because that is our width. I will then rewrite it as perimeter equals, I know 2 times 12 is 24, plus 2 times 8 is 16. I'll bring it down. I will add 24 and 16, and I will find 40, and I will include my units, centimeters. Now, if I were to do it the other way that we have, perimeter equals 2 times length plus width, I should find the same answer. So our perimeter equals 2 times the length, which is 12, plus the width, which is 8. We'll write it down. It'll be 2 times 12 plus 8 is 20. 2 times 20 equals 40, and we will include our units, and we will find 40 centimeters for our perimeter. Now, I'll go to another problem. This one is for a square, and we said that when we find the perimeter of a square using our formula is the perimeter equals 4 times s. So we will plug in our side 16 because we know all 4 sides are the same length. Just trying to click on it. So we're going to replace the s with 16. I'll just erase this and rewrite it. So we will write P equals 4 times s. P equals 4 times 16. And to solve, we will just have to do 4 times 16 then. So P equals 64, and add my units, feet. Now remember, when we're finding perimeter, we are looking for only the outside, not the inside. I saw some of us finding area. Perimeter is the outside of the shape. For a square, we know if one side is 16 feet, all 4 sides are 16 feet. So it'll be 4 times the side, in this case 16, and we'll find 64 feet. Over here, we have a length of 12 centimeters, a width of 8 centimeters. So we filled in L stands for length, W stands for width. We plugged in our measurements and solved using our equations.